Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. My name is Teguh Sukriyanto. My team are Muhammad Kasim, Darmansyah and Mr. Muhammad Hasbi. Here I will present my experiment. The title of this presentation is Technical and Economical Study of using used oil as fuel for aluminium smelting furnace. Introduction. Used oil as waste oil is hazardous and toxic pollute, and of course it is damage to the environment and endanger of our health. Used oil has a relative high calorific value, so it is very interesting to be used as a fuel for heat generations, and also this price is cheap. Here is the properties of the used oil or waste oil. Previous study conducted by Tamaki, that is high effective and stable combustion using waste oil combustion design, which was achieved with low energy. Also some experiments that conducted by Lecrarit and MCAP is resulting a better mixing of air and fuel using the single stage type result of better mixing. And also the study by El Najjar et al. It showed better combustion quality and in addition of diethyl ether additive, so it is using additive. Okay, in our experiment we are using waste oil as a fuel for aluminium casting. Aluminum casting is one of the most popular type of metal casting. Aluminum casting is used by community and small industries to make household appliances. For example, for ship propellers, for household appliance and at all. So far, many small industries use LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, as fuel for aluminium smelting. This is because it tends to be easy to obtain and also easy to use, even though the price is expensive. The use of used oil, in addition to utilizing waste, is also to look for cheaper alternative fuel so as to reduce casting production cost. This research intends to design an aluminium smelting fueled by used oil and carry out a cost comparison study between using used oil comparing with LPG fuel. Methodology. It is our experiment setup. The waste oil is placed on oil tank in above of the burner. The oil is flowed through the oil line to spray gun. We are using a spray gun. Spray gun will mix between oil and air from air compressor. Spray gun is then going to burner nozzle to burn the mixing between oil and air. The test is carried out using a burner filled by used oil. Tests using LPG were also carried out as a comparison. Oil is supplied by an 8mm diameter pipe to the spray gun. Used oil flows by gravity. Spray gun is used for mixing used oil and air before combustion. Air compressor used to supply air to the spray gun. Here is our spray gun. The specification of the spray gun has standard nozzle 1.4 millimeter, operating pressure about 2 until 3.5 bar, airflow control 119 until 200 liter per minute. And this is a burner or blast tube. The blast tube is the cone-shaped burner, is made from stainless steel with a diameter of 70 millimeter at the back and the diameter of 50 millimeter at the front. This is the furnace. The furnace used has a diameter of 40 centimeter, a height of 25 centimeter, and the thickness of 5 centimeters. The furnace is made of refractory cement and it used to melt 3 kilograms aluminum. Experiment material, we use a furnace with 2 different fuel are used to melt the aluminum. The first experiment was using used oil and the second experiment was using LPG. This is the properties of aluminum. The melting point of aluminum is about 660 degrees. Result and discussions. From the experiment we can get the result and we represent to these pictures. This is the graph between temperature and time. We can show that the heating rate of the LPG is faster in the beginning of heating process, but waste oil is slower than LPG. But in the end of the process, the waste oil getting higher temperature than LPG. This fact is influenced by heating value and mass flow rate from oil and LPG. From the measurements, mass flow rate of used oil is 0.5 and the mass flow rate of LPG is only 0.333 gram per second. This is also data. The heating rate value from the waste oil is about 41 kilojoule per gram, and LPG is 48 kilojoule per gram. So from this data we can calculate the power equivalent. The power equivalent of used oil is 21.471 kilowatt, and LPG is only 16.279 kilowatt. So from this data we can conclude that the power equivalent for used oil is higher than LPG. So that's why the temperature that can reach by used oil is higher